Financial Advisor Insights, brought to you by OppenheimerFunds.
What are investors to do in a rising interest rate environment? I'm here with Krishna Memani, CIO of Fixed Income at OppenheimerFunds. Krishna, we've heard nothing but tapering for quite some time now. When the Fed finally does taper, what effect do you see that having on markets and on interest rates?
I think one thing is certain. I think when they taper, and when they taper for the first time, the overall reaction in the market is probably going to be negative. Even if we think that we are discounting a lot of that information, I think it's just a first move in a series of moves that is going to come down the pike. So the market is going to react negatively to that.
So after the rise that we've already seen in interest rates, how much worse do you expect it to get?
Well, it sort of depends on what they add to the fact that they are tapering. So if they add that they are going to be far more diligent in terms of watching the unemployment rate more closely and probably lower the threshold level of that unemployment rate, I think the damage can be contained. But if they don't, the damage can be actually quite substantial.
What about overseas? How much are policy decisions outside the U.S. having an effect on U.S. rates?
Well, they are having some effect, but I think it's the other way around. It's the policy decisions in the U.S. that are having very bad effects overseas, far more than overseas rates impacting U.S. rates.
Okay, well, next week we're going to go into where investors can look for income in today's market environment. Thanks so much to Krishna Memani of OppenheimerFunds. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.
Financial Advisor Insights, brought to you by OppenheimerFunds.